Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Little Big Planet online. First, understand that the original online servers for Little Big Planet 2 are no longer operational. However, a dedicated community has created alternative ways to connect and play. To begin, you will need a PlayStation 3 console that has been modified to run custom firmware. This modification is essential for accessing the unofficial servers and enjoying the game with others. Next, let's prepare your console. After installing custom firmware, you will need to download specific files that enable connection to the community servers. These files typically include a patch or a DNS redirect. Once downloaded, transfer them to your PlayStation 3's internal storage or an external USB drive. Ensure all files are placed in the correct directories as specified by the community guides for proper functionality. Now it's time to connect. With the custom files installed, launch Little Big Planet 2 from your modified PlayStation 3. The game will automatically attempt to connect to the community-run servers instead of the defunct official ones. You can then browse thousands of user-created levels, play with friends, and even upload your own creations. This opens up a vast universe of content to explore and share. Finally, immerse yourself in the Little Big Planet experience. The community servers host an incredible array of levels, from intricate puzzles to thrilling adventures, all crafted by fellow players. You can collaborate with friends on new projects, share your unique designs, and engage in various community events. It's a vibrant and active environment, offering countless hours of creative fun and social interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.